Today we're still at the Ukrainian village, and our activity for the day is going to the Ukrainian village, copyright it. I mean, basically not far from the real Ukrainian village, there's kind of a fake village. So what is this village we're going to? Come here.
It's a recreation of a typical folkloric old Ukrainian village, the way they used to be like hundreds of years ago.
Alright, so we're going from the real village to the fake village.
Yeah, from 2018 to back to, I don't know, like 100 years ago.
Real village life, fake village life. Today's a village day. On our way to the village, we kind of made a little pit stop. This is like a TV studio here. And they have like all sorts of sets that you can rent to make a movie. Like a castle. Look at this, they have like a little Game of Thrones little thing. Over there, there's like a fake prison. We're hoping to maybe fly the drone here. I don't know if the security seems a bit tight. That's some real Burning Man stuff. Pretty cool. Alright, here we are, arrived at the Ukrainian village. It's pretty big actually. Look at that map. Basically how this place works. The entrance is free and you can just walk around the territory. Then a lot of people rent this place. There's a hotel and there's like little places to make barbecues, so a lot of people rent it just for parties, for hanging out. But then all over the territory there are these little traditional Ukrainian houses from different time periods, from different regions. And then if you want to enter the house, you have to pay individually for every house you want to enter. 5 hryvnia, which is like really not much. I think on the weekends there's kind of more things. They can kind of show you how the things work a little bit more. And there's also like tours and things with the school kids and, you know, just like this traditional village thing. But we're here like on the weekday, so it's pretty calm, which is nice for filming actually. Here there's a lot of little things related to the Ukrainian crafts. You can use this hand spinner thing to make a little clay pot and then put it in the oven over there and bake it. During the weekends there's some little classes that teach you how to do it, but it's actually kind of cool right now. There's nobody here and we can just mess around on their own. Here's the traditional forge, then there's the bakery over there, and then even further there's the sunflower oil factory. Sash, I think he really likes the color of your tripod.
Yep.
Maybe he thinks you're sexy.
Not me, the tripod is sexy. Same color.
What is this?
А йому подобається.
I wasn't expecting it, but it's actually pretty cool. Like bunch of animals and the houses, and it's just a pretty place to be. And it's really not far from Kiev. It's like 30 kilometers from Kiev. So I guess if you live in the city, it's a nice little weekend getaway kind of thing. Do some barbecuing, rent a little house. Fun times. Alex's dad said he's gonna teach me how to weld. Hey, this is a village life. There's nothing much else to do, and that sounds fun. Let's weld it. Please do not try this at home. I don't know what I'm doing, but he does.
Сейчас у нас 230, регулируется, уменьшается там 160.
So that's it for the Ukrainian Village Day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more cool Ukrainian content.